Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today I'm going to be sharing fried rice. And in my pot I have basmati rice and I'm using basmati for this recipe. I'm going to be washing this rice several times without parboiling it. Now you can see I already washed my rice and I'm going to be adding chicken stock to it. This chicken stock, I save it in my fridge. I didn't just boil chicken. And now I'm going to be adding a little bit of salt, 1 stock cube, and curry powder, because my chicken stock already have a lot of spices, even pepper. So I added water just to cover the rice, not too much water so that your rice don't come out matchy. And as that is busy, I'm going to be frying my vegetable. I just added sunflower oil to my wok, added sliced onions, fry it for a couple of seconds, and I'm going to add a little bit of ginger and garlic paste. Pour in my liver. This liver I boiled with just salt. So my liver is ready. Bring it out. So pour in my remaining onions. Now carrots. Little bit of pepper. Don't forget my chicken stock, I told you already have pepper in it, so I added a little bit more pepper. Added more carrots, green peel, then green beans. Fried rice is very easy to put together. You don't fry your vegetable too done. 1 stock cube, a little bit of curry powder, and a little bit of salt. And put it together. Add a little bit of spring onion to it. You can add more vegetable of your choice, add more spices of your choice. Now I just poured in my fried liver. Now pouring in my rice. My rice is still hard, it's not completely soft. If you want your rice soft, you can still add more water to your rice to boil it. So now I'm going to put everything together and cook it for a couple of minutes. Then fried rice is ready. Fried rice is very easy to put together. And I hope I make this fried rice as easy as possible for you guys. And thank you so much for joining. Yeah, my food is ready now. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.